An executive chef way back 2005 was hired in the U.S. White House, and she was no other than a Filipina named Cristeta Pasha Comerford, the first woman who had the privilege to step into the White House and hold the executive chef position. For the best and brightest, here's Christine Santos.
Say yes and indulge to the delectable, mouth-watering and heavenly taste of food made to perfection from around the world. Food is such a unique cultural experience. That is why adventurous people will not hesitate to have a bite, a spoonful of the other, or a platter of both. Or maybe you are among those people who deeply love Filipino food of all the dishes offered by the whole world. If you do, then maybe your taste buds are alike with US President Barack Obama. Obama and former President George Bush must have experienced a large quantity of cultural uniqueness Philippines have, as Cristeta Pasha Comerford, a Filipina, became the first female and the first Asian executive chef of the White House in the whole culinary history of the United States. Comerford was born in the Philippines and studied food technology in University of the Philippines, Diliman. However, she left school before completing the degree when she immigrated to the United States at 23. Comerford then worked with Sheraton, Hyatt Regency Hotel, and 2 restaurants and became a rotating chef in Vienna until she was recruited by White House executive chef Walter Scheib III in 1995 to work in the Clinton White House. Scheib resigned in 2005, and guess what's next? Comerford was appointed White House executive chef by former First Lady Laura Bush on August 14, 2005, the date when Cristeta Pasha Comerford became the first person of ethnic minority origin to hold this position. She was said to be appointed due to her handling of a large dinner that was held in honor of Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. And until now, in another administration headed by President Barack Obama, Comerford was still retained as she shared perspective with First Lady Michelle Obama on the importance of healthy eating and healthy families. For People's Television Network, Christine Santos.